Right, I'm shopping and I just bumped into Larry, very nice gentleman, and we started talking about coins. So Larry, what are you collecting? Silver coins, gold coins, collectible coins? What is your favorite coins?
I collect currency. I collect coins.
Okay,
I collect. I buy silver. I buy gold
okay.
bars. Uh,
How long you been collecting?
about 40 years.
Wow.
Oh yeah, my father started me on
Okay.
it, and I just sometimes you find things by accident. I bought a bag of wheat pennies one time. It was a good price, and it was like £5 or whatever it was.
Yeah.
And in that bag, I found a penny that was the size of a quarter, well, bigger than a quarter.
Oh wow.
The
Really?
the date on that was 1840.
And it's bigger than a penny.
Yeah, it's
I've
really
never seen
huge.
that.
It's really big.
And-
Yeah.
Wow.
They have 2-cent pennies. They have 3-cent coins.
And that one's called a wheat penny as well, even though it's bigger than a regular
Yeah, it's not a wheat penny, but because wheat pennies only came out since 1942,
penny. Okay.
and but then they stopped in I think 59 or somewhere around then.
Yeah.
There's so
Yeah.
much to them coins. I'm telling you.
Let me ask you something.
Yes.
We got all this volatility going on with the silver right now. So I think it's like 55 an ounce right now.
Right.
I think gold is at maybe 41. What do you think about this drop?
Well, I think there's too much that's controlled by the.
You think it's being manipulated?
Well, it's only a pattern that keeps going from year to year to year to year, and when there's no conflicts, it seems like the price of silver, the price of gold goes up.
Yeah, but it's not right now with this war.
No, not at all, because silver, like you say, is around
55 an ounce.
55 an ounce, and then you've got gold. It depends on what gold bars you're buying, anywhere from 46 to 51, I think, somewhere around in there. It's like a $500 window, depending on some gold bars are more than others. And then let's see, I just bought recently 30 ounces of silver.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Good
yeah,
for you.
Yeah.
Okay, now the 30 ounces you bought, I get excited. I love silver. What did you buy? Did you buy bullion? Did you buy American Eagles? What did you buy?
I bought them from here at Costco.
Okay, so you got the 10 ounce bars.
Yeah, 10-ounce bars, and then I got the Eagle round
that
bar.
round one?
Yes,
I
bought
got
one
that
of
one
those.
too.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
I had
yes.
to have that one.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Did you get it for the 600 and something?
Yes.
Yeah, when it dropped,
Yes.
when it first came out, it was up close to 860.
Right.
Yeah.
And I checked.
So you bought 3 of them. You said
I
30.
bought the 2 bars, the Lady Liberties.
Okay. Did you buy the Engelhart as well?
No, I did. I have so many. Like right now, I have a 1 ounce Golden Gate silver bar. I have the
A Golden
What?
Gate?
yeah. It's
Oh.
just I bought it through my coin friend,
Okay.
and he had it, and he's from San Francisco. So I asked him if he wanted to sell it to me. He goes, sure. And
Nice.
then I buy a lot of things. I like diamonds too, but
Okay.
I bought from him a black opal
Wow.
last month, and
That's
it's
beautiful.
really beautiful.
I could
And,
imagine. Let me
but-
ask you this.
Yes.
Why do you buy gold and silver?
Just as an investment, because
Okay.
most of the time you can deal in that a lot easier than you can coins, because coins, people may want to this, and they only want to pay this much,
Right.
but the window, or as they call it, the flat rate for silver and gold is set. It's not something, and it's set until it changes.
Until it
you know what I mean?
changes. Right.
And so
right.
most likely
Do you
all
buy
in-
more gold or do you buy more silver?
I buy more silver.
Okay. And why is
Because-
that?
Well, because financially, I don't have a ton of money, but at
Okay.
the same time,
Well,
I know that
yeah.
eventually the value will go up, and I
Absolutely.
can always leave it to my
Absolutely.
grandkids.
Yeah.
Or
yeah.
or
Do you
know.
have you traded your silver for gold?
No, I traded my silver for cash. You know, I had like 15. How much did I have? I had probably 12 ounces, 13 ounces I sold.
Okay. Good
And,
for you. Yeah. Well, that's what it's there for, like a savings.
Yeah, you know, and when the price is right, you know,
Yeah.
I had a $50 gold piece I had that I sold not too long ago for $4,000, and it was buffalo.
Okay.
It was beautiful.
And how big? How
How big was it? It was as big as a silver dollar, but it was a $50 gold piece.
Okay. And you.
And so the gold was 99.999%.
Right, but was it an ounce, a tenth? Or?
It was an ounce.
Okay.
It was an ounce of gold with a $50 face value.
And how much did they pay you for that?
$4,000.
Oh, good for you. Okay,
Yes.
so they didn't get you greedy on the.
No.
on the
You know,
buyback.
when I paid, I think I paid $3,400 when I bought
Oh, that's what
it.
I'm talking about.
So I made some
yeah.
money. You know, you never
Yeah.
want to lose money because first of all, I look at it this way. Currency and coins, they don't take up a lot of room.
Right.
You don't have to feed them,
Yeah.
but they can work for you
Yes.
down the road.
Down the road. So
That's
you
right.
believe in also stacking for the long term.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You know.
Because we got a lot of people running around selling everything right now.
You know, some people, yeah, well, it's like stock.
Yeah.
Same thing with stock. When the price of stock starts to go down, people want to dump their stock. But
Yeah.
that's when a lot of people buy stock is when it's real low.
Right.
You know.
So you have to have a balance.
Yeah, and
So
I never
yeah.
got into stocks.
Mm.
You know, I was almost afraid to.
Yeah, that's why I don't really go all the way all in. I always want to save some of my fiat, some of my cash, because when you do come across a coin you really want, you can get it.
Absolutely.
You know,
Absolutely.
but if you're
There
always
was-
buying and buying now, it's 50 something. A great time to buy.
I had a 4 real Mexican coin. It was off of a sunken galleon. 1,500 was the year,
Okay.
and I sold that for 3,200.
Nice.
Yeah, a guy wanted me to sell it to him, and I said, well, you know, if you got the money, I'll do it. I go, but whoever comes up with the amount, I mean, it's not like I can't be good to people. It's a matter of, you know,
Right.
sometimes I want to sell something to get something else.
Right. Exactly.
Exactly.
Why not?
You know,
Why not?
Because I don't want to keep pulling money out of my pocket. Then
No.
then I go, well, I got to stay out of that pocket because it's empty. You know. Anyway.
So what do you think silver and gold's going right now? Do you think we're at the bottom, or you think it's going lower?
It may go lower. It depends on what happens, I think, with the oil thing. But I think also it's people are not afraid. People are just concerned, or they're scared by certain people influencing their thinking in a negative way. Because, you know, we've been in wars before. World War II, Vietnam, Korean War. You know, and as far as I want to feel safe here.
Amen.
You know, if somebody's crazy enough to say, well, I'm going to kill you, well, you avoid that person.
Right.
But in this situation, if people are threatened and they could die, or in a nuclear war, then what? Stop it before it gets started. You know, I
Right,
think
absolutely.
it's like preventive medicine.
Right.
You know,
Right.
if you don't wear a coat, you might get cold,
Absolutely.
and if you get
You're
a
right.
cold, then you got to take medicine.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly. So you think silver and gold may still be on the way down a little bit?
It may.
So
You know,
is it stopping you from purchasing
Oh no, it's not stopping me from purchasing. In fact, I asked one of the assistant managers here. I go, "Do you guys have any silver or
There's
gold?"
none over there.
And they don't. They said that we didn't get the shipment in yet.
Yeah, that's the first thing. Whenever I come into the store, that's the first thing I go to.
Yeah,
is the
I may
jewelry
go.
counter.
I may go up to Roseville and see if they have any, or
Yeah.
call them before I go.
Well, you know what? If you go over there in the front, they'll look it up in the computer. They'll tell you exactly where to get
Oh,
it.
that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Oh, I do. Honey, I have so much bullion because I love the artwork that
Oh, yeah.
Costco has. It's a little bit higher, but if you get that 2%, you
Yeah.
know, that Citibank card,
Oh yeah.
honey, it'll work for you.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, so
Absolutely.
you know. So you
Yes.
said you're going to a coin show coming up. When's the coin show? In August?
There's one. There's one Sunday.
This Sunday?
This Sunday in Vacaville.
Where, at the Lions?
And no, it's at the. Oh my gosh, I've never been to that one. That's a brand new one
Yeah,
for
that one's
me.
going to be next month.
It's
That's going to be in August, next
right.
month.
But the one that's coming up in Vacaville, I
Oh, so-
think
okay.
it's I can't remember
Oh,
what
wow.
the
I
address is.
haven't went to that one. I might have to check that out. All right,
Yeah,
let me-
it's Sunday and it's only for Sunday,
Right, right.
9 to 3:30.
Okay.
So
Well,
it's all
yeah,
day.
yeah.
It's 6 hours, 6.5 hours. And I was thinking, you know, maybe that's why, because some places will only go 2 or 3 hours on one day, and they'll have a 3-day deal. And
I like
to
the
me,
3-day deal.
you know, I would rather go, you know, because it depends on how many people are selling.
I love the 3-day deals.
Yeah, and you know,
Yeah.
there are some places. I mean, if you look online, it'll say how many people are selling.
Okay.
Like most of them I've been to, there's like 30 sellers,
Okay.
and there's a couple of them on there that have 80.
Wow.
Yeah, so you
Now
know a lot
that's
of people
really
will be going
fun.
to those. Yeah.
Now, the last one you went to, do you find that the prices are the premiums are high, or what are you thinking about when you're purchasing, whether, you know,
It-
Costco online or coin store? Do you go to any of the coin shops around locally?
No, I don't. I don't go to the pawn stores or coin shops
The local
because
ones,
I like to go with someone that has a lot of knowledge. And my friend, he can quote prices. He can do everything.
Right, you
And
know, yeah.
I'll mention something to him, or he'll say, "Hey, I got a friend that's got this for sale. You ought to get it."
Oh, so
you know?
oh, nice.
So it's
nice.
always nice to have someone
Yeah.
that is really knowledgeable.
Right.
Because either that or you got to have your phone and you're looking through that the whole time.
I think us stackers are starting to come together and getting to that point because these premiums are ridiculous.
Oh, yeah.
The shipping's ridiculous. Here in California, our taxes is crazy. So we're kind of, you know, starting to probably buy from one to another, you know, and see what we can do about keeping more money in our pocket rather than paying all these high premiums.
There's a company in Oklahoma, App
Yeah, they're high. I like
Yeah.
App
and they don't charge you
for shipping, but
for
we get that.
shipping.
They get us on that tax though.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but I like their coins.
You know, oh yeah. I bought a few.
I got a lot of
I bought a
Atlas.
Libertad.
The Libertad.
Yeah. Oh,
Which
yeah.
one you get?
I got the one that was at the time I bought it was $3,500,
Oh my God.
and it when I sold it, I
Oh,
sold it for
man.
$4,200.
That Libertad is
Oh,
high.
I know, beautiful.
No, I love that Libertad.
Yeah.
I like that big one they got out.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Man, I bought a Libertad not too long ago at a local coin store,
Right.
and I did pay the $100 for the 1 ounce because I love
Yeah.
them.
Right. Oh yeah.
And you can always resell them for more. You
Oh,
know
yeah,
what I'm saying?
absolutely.
But yeah, it was. I think it was a 1985 one. And I got the
Yes.
newest one too.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you know what? I won't hold you up. I just seen you again. I thought we would talk. I didn't know
Thank
you were
you.
into coins. See?
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Me
you
and
never
you've had
know.
conversations, but
I
we
know.
never talked
you
about
never
coins.
know. You know.
Yeah.
And you're not sending that to John Walsh, are you?
No.
I don't know if he's looking for me. No. Anyway, it was my pleasure talking to you as always.
All
you
right.
know.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to head on out, hit that like, smash the notification bell, and subscribe to your sister's channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out. You have an amazing day.
You too, Angel.
All right.
Absolutely.